This is going to be a tutorial on how to create a response to Louis Jover using PowerPoint. So the first thing that you want to do is to insert a picture of the person that you wish to edit in the style of the artist. Then go to colour and desaturate the image to make it black and white. And then edit the picture further to increase the contrast. So that you're editing your picture to how you want it. Then you want to crop the image so that you only have half of the face at the bottom. And then copy and paste the image and recrop it so you've got the other half so that the picture is then split into two sections. Then for the top half, you're going to crop that further. And then for the final copy, you're going to crop to a circle or an oval. And then if you click crop again, you can edit the size of that circle and try to place your portrait so that you've cropped it to the shape where the eye is. Okay, then if you go to picture format and background removal, then you can edit your picture so that you can remove the background, but it may not automatically select the bits that you want to keep, so you need to circle the areas that you wish to keep, and eventually you will be able to click OK and keep changes, like so. What you want to do is to insert some shapes and lines in the style of the artist. You can change the colour of the shapes by going to picture format or shape format and going to shape fill and shape outline and choosing the colour that you want to fill it with. And if there's a colour on the page that you want to fill it with, you can use the eyedropper tool. If not, go to more colours. And what you can do is go to send backwards or bring forwards to send shapes behind other shapes or bring them in front of the others. You can also insert other images that you've found online to edit your image further. And it's better if they've got a white background, because if you go to colour and then set transparent colour, then you can remove the white background so that it's transparent. But if this is a pattern background, it won't work at all. So just bear that in mind when you're selecting images to use.